Welcome to the dimly lit streets of the S&P 500 market, where narrow alleys twist into shadowy recesses and the streetlights cast long silhouettes across market trends. Let's search the streets and alleyways before us with trusty magnifying glass in hand, looking for clues. Let's jump right into it. Key buy and sell levels or ranges. Value area. High. VAH. 6,846. The high-rise office where the big shots hide. Crossing this threshold means someone is finally ready to spill the truth. Value area low. VAL. 6,827. The gutter where the small-time crooks hang out. If we drop below here, the case goes cold. Point of control. POC. 6,828. The central precinct where the most interrogation happened. It is the heart of the investigation for the last few hours. Support zone. 6,820 to 6,827, like a reliable informant in a dark alley. Plenty of bids are keeping the floor from falling out. Resistance zone. 6,846 to 6,854. A wall of silence from the mob. Sellers are standing guard and won't let anyone pass without a fight. Single, Prince Escape paths. Lower, 6,820 to 6,821. A narrow fire escape. If price slips here, it will tumble fast into the basement. Upper, 6,852 to 6,854. A rooftop exit. Break this and the suspects are in the wind. Market context. Today's investigation shows a market that is playing it close to the vest, shuffling between the shadows of 6,820 and 6,854. The bulls have been doing some heavy lifting late in the shift, moving the CVD from a negative start to a peak of 8,570, which tells me the buyers are putting the squeeze on the local hoods. It is a balancing act in a rain-slicked city, waiting for a breakout. 3-day march through the city. Day 3, December 17th. POC 6854. High 6882. Low 6776. The market was a cold case of volatility, swinging like a pendulum in a dark alley. Day 2, December 18th. POC 6786. High 6872. Low 6772. Buyers tried to make a break for it, but ended up interrogated at the low end of the precinct. Day 1, December 19th. POC 6,828. High 6,854. Low 6,820. A tight-lipped session where price sat in a smoky room refusing to talk. Value is slowly creeping back up from the basement of day 2. And today, we are looking for acceptance above the VAH to confirm the bulls have finally cracked the case. Volume analysis. Cumulative volume, delta. CVD. Breakdown. Session open. CVD negative 15 contracts. The morning started with a quiet tip-off from the sellers. Intraday peak. Buying. CVD climbed to 8,570. A massive surge of muscle from the long side. Current CVD, 8,570 net plus 8,585 from open, meaning the buyers have completely taken over the interrogation room. Intraday low, CVD, low, negative 3,389, a moment where the bears tried to put us in concrete shoes. Interpretation. Aggressive buy-side delta is the dominant lead. Any rally will need fresh detectives ready to go long. Risk management considerations. Long trades. Entry zone. Near VAL. 6,827 to 6,830. Stop loss. Below the single print floor at approximately 6,819, 4 ticks beneath the low. Or use average true range, ATR, approximately 6 points below entry. Profit target, Initial target at POC, 6,828. Major target at VAH, 6,846. Short trades. Entry zone. On rejection of VAH, 6,846 to 6,854, or breakdown through VAL. Stop loss. Above the VAH ceiling at approximately 6,855, or ATR above entry. Profit target. POC for first partial, then VAL. Position sizing. Use a maximum 1 to 2% account risk per idea, equalized by stop distance. Trail stops to the last defended level after first target. Potential scenarios and trade setups. Scenario A, acceptance above, VAH. The suspects break through the roof at 6,846 and hit the skyline. Setup. Enter long above 6,846 with stop at 6,828, POC. Target 6,865 plus on momentum continuation. Scenario B, rejection at VAH. The heavy hitters at 6,846 send the bulls packing back to the street. Setup. Short on first failure off 6,846. Stop above 6,855. Target POC, then VAL. Scenario C, failure at VAL. The floor collapses at 6,827 and we head for the sewers. Setup. Short a break below 6,827. Stop above 6,832. Recent swing high. Target 6,810 area. Scenario D, value bounce. Price hits the VAL at 6,827 and finds a friendly witness. Setup, long at 6,827, stop at 6,819, target POC, then VAH. Smash the like and subscribe button. Click the bell to receive content notifications. Remember, the future belongs to the focused. Stay disciplined, stay curious, and as always, trade smart, trade strong, and never stop leveling up. I'll see you in the markets.